Hi there! Today's tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to set up widget on your iPhone home screen. To add a widget, simply press and hold anywhere on the screen until your app starts to jiggle like this. And then tap the plus sign at the corner. This will open the widget gallery where you can browse and choose from a variety of widgets. Scroll through the widget to find the widget you want. You'll see options like weather, notes, TikTok, calendar, or even third-party apps widget. Um, scroll, and then once you've found the widget you want to add, just tap on it. Widget come in different sizes, small, medium, and large. And then you can swipe through the available size, then select the one that fits your preference by tapping Add Widget. After adding the widget, you can drag it around your home screen and place it wherever you want. Once you are happy with the position, just tap Done. That's it. You've successfully set up widget on your iPhone. Thanks for watching.